Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio, sharing another new design this week with you all. And this is it, it's a mini album, pretty small. It has its own handle. Look at how cute that is. It has a magnetized closure. But first let me show you the papers that I used. This is Graphic 45's Time to Flourish, and this is a calendar set actually. So I also did a calendar, and you can check out the links in the description for those videos. This was an 8x8 inch calendar. There's the second calendar set that goes with this collection, and next to all of the cut apart sheets there are also some beautifully floral patterned sheets, and also double-sided. So I had several papers left over from the calendar that I just mentioned, and also the sturdy folio album that I designed with this paper, and you can see it right here. So let me show you the front. There's no bulk this time. I chose to fussy cut from the pattern paper and just layer several of these fussy cuts and well, create this little layout here. And this is the same pattern paper as I used here, so this matches perfectly, of course. And then on the other side, if you use one paper that has a pattern with an orientation, like here there's letters, there's an up and a down as it were, so this is down, this is up, but if you then go like this, then here it would be upside down, right? You can follow what I'm saying. So, you know, I don't like that. I don't like my pattern to be upside down. So I decided to create my own mat. So this is one printed mat, and what I did is some digital scrapbooking here. So what you see here, these are actually fragments from other projects that I made with this paper. So I did some photos, etc., and then I fussy cut digitally. This, for instance, this part here is of the September month paper, and I created a card a while ago and I cut this digitally from that card. There's my calendar here, some pieces of my calendar, and here as well. And then I added some digital flowers, you know, just to create sort of a digital layout, and then I placed it on a digital background, printed it, inked around the edges, and then added it to my to the back of my album. So look at that effect. I personally like it a lot. Well, it was new for me to do it like this, so I thought I'd try it out. Because I like it so much, if you purchase the tutorial for this album that is waiting for you in my web shop, you get this digital image for free to go with it. So if you like, you could create the exact same album with the exact same papers and then use this exact same well, plaque, as it were, for yourself. So there you go, and then let's open it up. Now this is of course a vertical album, so it's not meant to be like this. This would be an option, of course, but then the orientation of all of your papers inside would have to be horizontal, and I chose them to be vertical. So let's open it up. So it's like this. It's like a little briefcase, I think, as it were. And there you go. So you have 10 pages, pocket pages, that you can leaf through like this. And it is a tag album. So each and every one of the 10 pocket pages holds a mat. So let me walk you through those quickly, and I decorated every pocket page, of course, as well. So here is a mat, and I try to leave some room here for a small wallet-sized picture, so you can fit at least 20 pictures on all of these tags, and that is not counting the pockets, because if you'd like, you could add some pictures here or even here. So 20 is the bare minimum, so there you go. There's a journaling spot there. There's the tag. And some chipboard pieces here. It says Bonne Fête, so sort of a happy birthday in French. You could cover that with a flower if you don't like it. And there is the tag. Really love this collection by Graphic 45. Tiny journaling spot there. Here I did some die cutting, so you could die cut a circle picture and then put it right here. Added a pearl. And there you go. So these pockets are wide enough to fit chipboard pieces on the bottom. And there you go, so fondest wishes. Here I did a little swing tab just for fun. So you can put a picture here and then just flip that over it. Now here I cut a pattern pocket so you can tuck something underneath it like a picture. Little journaling tag here, chipboard piece. And these pieces are all from the collection, guys. So this collection has beautiful chipboard pieces. It comes with a sticker sheet as well, which you can then back up with chipboard if that is your thing. And well, there's a lot of fun to be had with this collection. The last page, beautiful birds. And here is a little pocket. Well, you could of course decorate this album to your heart's desire. So this is what it looks like from the side. And this time I did not use the hidden hinge binding system because I found that if I wanted to do 10 pages, I would have to lengthen my paper to actually get 10 hinges. So I chose the Stack the Deck binding system by Laura Dennison, I think is her name, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this will allow you to fit those 10 pages pretty easily. And yeah, so then you close it and there you go. So this is a nice little compact mini album with 10 pages, pocket pages, with room for 20 small pictures at minimum, because you could use the inside covers and you could use the pockets as well. So I really hope you liked this design. Oh, and one word about the closure here. So I die cut the actual chipboard of the closure here. You can see it like here. And if you want to know how to do that, because the thin metal dies will probably not cut through the chipboard, I use Tim Holtz's much larger dies that are suitable to cut through chipboard. So I chose an on the edge die here. This is the one that I use. This is another one that it will create if you like. I chose this one, and there are several on the edge dies by Tim Holtz, and they will all cut through chipboard. So there's an idea for you as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Click the like and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell if you want to get notifications every time I am showing you a new design. So thanks, guys, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.